Welcome to the Wonders of Wildlife channel. Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting dive into the mysteries of the ocean. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of octopuses, those brainy creatures of the deep. These incredible animals are not just any ordinary sea dwellers, they are the masterminds of the ocean. Octopuses are some of the smartest animals in the ocean. Their intelligence is truly remarkable, and they have a range of abilities that set them apart from other marine life. They're like the Einsteins of the underwater world. Imagine having the brain power to solve complex problems and adapt to various situations, all while living in the depths of the sea.
These cephalopods are known for their incredible intelligence and problem-solving skills. Scientists have been amazed by their ability to learn and remember. You know, they can open jars, solve mazes, and even use tools. Their dexterity and cognitive abilities are truly astounding. And it doesn't stop there. Octopuses can recognize human faces, which is a rare trait in the animal kingdom. Pretty impressive, right? They can form bonds with people and even show preferences for certain individuals.
Whoa, that's so cool! It's amazing to think that these creatures, often hidden beneath the waves, have such complex minds. I didn't know octopuses were that smart. Their ability to solve puzzles and interact with their environment in such sophisticated ways is truly mind-blowing. It makes you wonder what other secrets the ocean holds.
Now you might be wondering how these underwater geniuses breathe. Well, just like fish, octopuses have gills. These gills are located in their mantle, which is that big, bulbous part of their body.
Water flows over the gills, and the octopus extracts oxygen from the water. It's like their own little underwater breathing apparatus. Pretty neat, huh?
So we know octopuses breathe underwater using their gills to extract oxygen from the water around them. These fascinating creatures have evolved to thrive in the ocean's depths, where they can move gracefully and hunt for their prey. But what happens when they're out of the water? Can they survive on land even for a short period? This is a question that often intrigues marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike.
Well, here's the thing. Octopuses are pretty good at holding their breath. They have a remarkable ability to endure short periods without water thanks to their unique physiology. Their gills can retain moisture, allowing them to absorb some oxygen even when they're not submerged. They can actually survive for a short period of time out of water, often up to several minutes. This ability is particularly useful when they need to move between tide pools or escape predators. However, this is not their natural state, and they are much more vulnerable on land. But it's not ideal for them. Out of water, an octopus can quickly become stressed and dehydrated. Their skin needs to stay moist to facilitate gas exchange, and without water, they can suffer from oxygen deprivation.
Think of it like us holding our breath. We can do it for a bit, but it's not something we can sustain for long. Just as we need to come up for air to replenish our oxygen levels, an octopus needs to return to the water to survive. The ocean is their home, where they can breathe easily and live comfortably. So, while they can manage brief excursions on land, they are truly creatures of the sea.
Now let's get to the fun stuff, octopus oddities. These fascinating creatures are full of surprises that go beyond their 8 arms and bulbous heads.
Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Yes, you heard that right. 2 of these hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third one pumps it to the rest of the body. This unique circulatory system helps them thrive in the deep ocean.
That's right, 3 hearts pumping blue blood. Their blood contains a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, which is more efficient than hemoglobin in cold, low-oxygen environments. This is what gives their blood that distinctive blue color.
And get this, they have 9 brains. One central brain controls their nervous system, while each of their 8 arms has its own mini-brain, allowing for incredible coordination and multitasking.
1 central brain and 8 smaller brains, 1 in each arm. Talk about brain power. This decentralized nervous system means that even if an arm is severed, it can still move and react independently for a while.
And if that wasn't enough, they can also change color and texture to camouflage themselves with their surroundings. This ability is thanks to specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores, which can expand or contract to show different colors.
They're like the ultimate masters of disguise. Not only can they blend in with coral reefs and ocean floors, but they can also mimic the shapes and movements of other sea creatures to avoid predators or sneak up on prey.
And let's not forget their incredible flexibility. Octopuses can squeeze through tiny gaps thanks to their lack of a rigid skeleton. This makes them excellent escape artists, capable of slipping out of enclosures and even opening jars from the inside.
Their intelligence is also remarkable. Octopuses have been observed solving complex puzzles, using tools, and even playing. These behaviors showcase their problem-solving skills and curiosity, making them one of the most intelligent invertebrates on the planet.
So, the next time you see an octopus, remember that there's much more to these incredible creatures than meets the eye. From their 3 hearts and 9 brains to their camouflage and problem-solving abilities, octopuses truly are marvels of the ocean. But back to our original question, how long can an octopus survive out of water?
Well, the answer is not very long. Remember those gills we talked about?
They need to be submerged in water to work properly. Out of the water, an octopus's gills can't extract oxygen from the air.
So, while they can hold their breath for a few minutes, they'll eventually suffocate.
So the next time you see an octopus, remember these amazing creatures and their incredible abilities. They're intelligent, resourceful, and let's face it, pretty darn cool.
Let's treat them with respect and appreciate the important role they play in our oceans.
And remember, if you ever see an octopus out of water, give it a helping hand and return it to the sea where it belongs.
Stay curious, science fans.